Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, this is Monday Motivational Menu Idea segment. And I'm doing something kind of different. I'm going to show you something, y'all. When I used to work at my job where I recently retired at, I'm going to show you something that I used to eat on the spur of the moment. When I was hungry, when I was walking around the kitchen, I come out of my office. You know, the last 12 years of my job, I was working in the office and purchasing. I did all the food purchasing for my job. So I'd get out of my office and walk to the kitchen and just think of something to eat. And this was my go-to always item here. Onion patty melt. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it at my job. It's very easy, very simple, very quick. Cause that's what I want, something I can eat very simple, very quick. And it's so good. All it is, hamburger patty. So I do some caramelized onions. I chop them up, cheddar cheese and rye bread, and I'm putting mayonnaise on mine. Don't judge me. Yeah, I put mayonnaise on my onion patty melt. So I'm gonna show y'all how. Let me warm my skillet up over here. I got my skillet heating up, and I'm gonna season my hamburger patties here. I got some big hamburger patties here. I'm making 2 of them here. A little cavernous on there. Y'all know I love my cavernous Greek seasoning. If you never had this cavernous, y'all go buy you some cavernous Greek seasoning. I think Walmart has it. HEB, of course, has it here in Texas. And a lot of people are using it because it's definitely so good. So I'm putting some kosher salt, white pepper, and a little cavernous here. Season really good. Let that sit there. And what it is, I got me a cast iron skillet over here. Let me move y'all over here. And usually I do it on the flat top at work. I wouldn't do it in the skillet. I do it in the flat top right on by where they do the hamburgers. But I'm not gonna use my flat top. This will work just as good. Put it here in my cast iron skillet. And we're gonna cook this. Pretty much. Now I like mine medium. Of course, you can do yours well done. I like my hamburgers medium. You can cook them however you do it. Sometimes I eat a medium rare hamburger. So I'm gonna cook this off, get it brown off on each side. I'm gonna just stick this whole skillet in the oven. Then finish cooking in the oven. Because I'm gonna come back after I put it in the oven. I'm gonna caramelize my onions off. Can't be onion patty melt without onions, right? I'm gonna caramelize my onions off and put this thing together. It's so quick, so easy to put together, y'all. Once the meat get ready. So Monday Motivation Menu out this segment. Just getting started. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. All right, y'all. I just turned them over. Now all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna stick this whole skillet in the oven and let it finish cooking off in the oven. And when I come back, I'm gonna get my old camping skillet. Just like when I just go camping and do these when I camp. See this camping skillet? I like this old skillet. I've been had this maybe over 20 years, y'all. A little wear and tear, but I'm gonna saute my little onions off in there, get them caramelized. And by the time the onions are caramelized, I got my rye bread here. Let me show y'all. I got my seedless. I always get the seedless rye bread. That's what I use. I don't like the seeds on top. Got the seedless white bread here, and I'm gonna make, like I say, y'all, this sandwich is so easy and so good. Now I don't know if traditional Reuben, I'm saying Reuben, y'all. Traditional patty melts come with rye bread, but I always use rye bread for mine. Just give it that distinct flavor. I use it for my Reubens and my patty melt. So, anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. When I start to caramelize the onion, we'll go from there. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, my skillet's heating up. I'll throw my onions in here. Y'all know I like to chop my onions up because I think it makes a better, easier eating experience. It's nothing worse, y'all. I'm telling you, I go through this all the time. It's common sense practice. You ever eaten a burger or something? It's got this big hunk of onion in it. I just never understood that. Number one, if you're going to slice onion, slice it thin. Don't put a big slice hunk of onion in a sandwich. It just takes away from the eating experience. I don't know why restaurants do this. I don't know why hamburger places don't do this. Chop your onions up. They're easy to put on there. They're quicker to put on the burger. Chop a tomato. Throw them on there, bam, bam, bam. I understand. Some case I can deal with the sliced tomato. Maybe, but slice them thin. And put the onions on that chop. Like I said, if I ever have a burger restaurant or something like that, that's definitely going to be on my list there. Okay, y'all, I like to get a little caramelization on here. And I got my rye bread here. I got my butter on there already. See that? But when I put it in the skillet, I'm going to put the butter side down, let it toast really, really good. I'm going to put mayonnaise on there. I'm going to put cheddar cheese, my meat, onions, and it's good to go. My meat is right now cooking in the oven. And we're going to bring this meal together real, real quick. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got my onions just as caramelized as I want. I don't want to get them no browner than that. Now I'm finna switch skillets. Y'all remember my big skillet here, my camping skillet, another camping skillet right here. And all I'm gonna do, y'all, let me take these onions out of here while this skillet is heating up. Put my onions here in a bowl. So when I build this thing, it's all good to go here, y'all. See this nice caramelized onions? That's how I want them. I do not want no raw onions on my patty melt. Now, let me check my meat here. Check my meat here. See if I can do this here with y'all. Let's see here. Alrighty. The meat back here is ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely perfect back here. Oh yeah. Now, meat is ready. Let me show y'all. See that? Hamburger meat's ready. Hamburger patties. Now, all I'm gonna do, let me get some spray here. This is where I'm gonna have to move pretty quick here. Pretty quick here, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna put the rye bread, butter side down. I'm gonna get them all in here. I ain't got no choice. I gotta get them all in here. Now, like I say, I put Miracle Whip in mine. Of course, at my job, we didn't have Miracle Whip. We used Hellman's. But I prefer Miracle Whip on my sandwiches. Don't judge me, y'all. Just the way I like mine. Okay. Next thing I do, I'm gonna put nice cheddar cheese on mine on each side. Put some cheddar cheese on here. Alrighty. Now, I'm gonna put a hamburger patty on here. One side there. One side here. Throw my onions up on top of there. My onion patty melt without what? Onions. Okay. We're gonna make sure we got these right here. Put my top bun on top of there like that. And now I got room to kind of move them around, y'all. There we go. That's it. Build it. That's how you build it, y'all. Now I'm just gonna get a good, nice golden brown color on each side of the bread. Very careful, y'all, that you don't burn them up. Flip them over here. This is gonna be just a big old thing of goodness, y'all. Look at that nice golden brown. Got that cheese melted on there. All I'm gonna do, y'all, in about a minute here, I'm gonna cut this fire off. Oh my God, y'all, this is good eating here, y'all. Look at that cheese is melted on there. That's good eating there. Now, I'm gonna cut the fire off here and just let the residual heat finish cooking it. And we're gonna be right back in just a second. I'm gonna cut them, make a famous YouTube thumbnail, And we're gonna come back and we're gonna try these out. Old school onion patty melt. We'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at this here, y'all. That's how I used to eat it work. That was my go-to. And I give me some hand-cut fries with some ketchup. And then we had hand-cut. We didn't buy frozen at my job. We had hand-cut French fries. Look at that. Okay. Let's try this out, y'all. It's actually well done. Pretty much like a medium well. Maybe, no, it's well done. Let's try this, y'all. Hear the crack. That's what I'm talking about. That's nice toasted butter bun. A buttery toasted bun and bread. Not bun, bread. I'm gonna bite here. Got the cheese on there. Ain't go wrong, y'all. That's the way to start the week. That's the way to start the week, y'all. This nice onion patty melt. Yeah. It's the only time I eat rye bread. Like I say, you can cut it. No way. You see how that cheese just melted in there, y'all? See that? Look at that. A nice caramelized onion. Nice, easy sandwich. Nice, easy sandwich. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.